Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how to remove suggested account on Instagram search. So in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and update your application. Once you're done updating your application, log into your Instagram account. Now, if you want to remove a suggested account on Instagram, let's say that, go to the search bar from the bottom right and tap on the search tool right on top. So if you think these are all your suggested list, it is actually your search history. So these are not considered to be a suggested account. But however, if you want to remove them, just tap on the cross icon located right in the corner, and if you want to see all of your search history, then tap on see all, and to remove all, clear all button and tap the clear all. So what Instagram actually consider a suggested is that when you type in some contact's name, so for example let's go with this one, when you search for a particular user and it seems to appear all these, then these are considered to be a suggested contact and not the search history. So in order to remove them, there's no such way of removing it. These particular users or the name only appears when you actually match with the user that you are looking for. So in this way you can remove suggested accounts on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.